Amplify Your English, Mastering Adverbs of Frequency. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to talk about an important element of the English language, adverbs of frequency. As the name suggests, these adverbs help describe how often something happens. They are a significant part of the adverb plus adjective collocation pattern. Ready to amplify your vocabulary? Let's get started. Adverbs of frequency are words that help us express how often an action takes place. These adverbs can describe something happening regularly, occasionally, or never. Examples include often, rarely, always, sometimes, and never. They give your sentences more context and depth, and are commonly used in both spoken and written English. Understanding where to place these adverbs in your sentences is crucial. In general, adverbs of frequency come before the main verb, except for the verb to be. For instance, I often read books before bedtime. They rarely eat out on weekends. However, when using the verb to be, the adverb comes after the verb. I am always late for meetings. He is never at home on Sundays. Now let's explore some of the most common adverbs of frequency. 1. Always, 100% of the time. She always brushes her teeth after meals. 2. Usually, about 90% of the time. I usually have cereal for breakfast. 3. Often, about 70% of the time. He often goes for a jog in the park. 4. Sometimes, about 50% of the time. We sometimes watch movies on Friday nights. 5. Rarely, about 10% of the time. They rarely arrive late for work. 6. Never, 0% of the time. I never forget to feed my dog. When used in negative sentences, adverbs of frequency are placed before the main verb, similar to positive sentences. For example, I seldom eat junk food. She hardly ever misses her yoga class. That wraps up our discussion on adverbs of frequency. We hope this video has been helpful and that you now feel confident using these adverbs in your English sentences. Remember, the key to mastering a new language is consistency. So, keep practicing, and always keep learning. See you in the next video.